Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 8, the poem These Simple Things of class 4th, subject English. This poem, These Simple Things, is written by Ruskin Bond. This poem tells us that how the simple things in life create a world of happiness. Now, let's read the poem together. The simplest things in life are best. A patch of green, that means a small piece of land which is covered with green grass, gives happiness inside our hearts. A small bird's nest. Watching the birds building nest even gives us joy. A drink of water, fresh and cold. Maybe during the summertime, when you drink fresh and cold water, makes you refresh from inside, and this is the world's best happiness you get at that moment. The taste of bread. That means the simple food which you eat makes you full, isn't it? Now, a song of old. When you listen to the evergreen old songs, it makes you feel happy from inside. These are the things that matter most. So, that poet says that simple things in life matter the most. We should not run after the materialistic things, but rather pay gratitude to all the simple things which we have in life. Now children, we are going to read the next stanza of the poem. Second stanza we are going to read now. The laughter of a child. That means when the child laughs, maybe it creates an environment of happiness around us. A favorite book. It gives you joy when you read your favorite book, isn't it, children? Now, flowers growing wild. The beautiful colors of flowers which you see. Okay, children? A cricket singing in a shady nook. Now, cricket is an insect. A shady nook means the corner. Okay, this is a insect cricket. Okay, now a ball that bounces high. When you have time to play with the ball, it gives you happiness. A summer shower. When you have sudden shower during the summer time, it makes you happy again. A rainbow in the sky. I am sure you all feel so happy to see the rainbows in the sky. And what you do when you see the rainbow? I am sure you click pictures and make videos for those lovely memories, isn't it, children? Now, the touch of a loving hand. And what that when you have the touch of your loved ones, maybe your mother, your father, your siblings, isn't it? Amazing, that feeling is amazing. And time to rest. When you have ample of time to rest, it gives your mind peace. These simple things in life are best. So, from this poem, we get to know how the poet wants to tell us that simple things in life only matter the most. So, children, I think you all have enjoyed this poem, These Simple Things, written by poet Ruskin Bond. Now, children, you have to learn this poem. The difficult words are simplest, patch, bread, laughter, favorite, cricket, singing, shady, bounces, rainbow, loving. These are the difficult words which you are going to write in your notebook, and the new words. These are the new words which you are going to do in the copy. Okay children, you have to learn the difficult words also, you have to learn the new words also, and you are going to learn this beautiful poem which is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay children, so you have to learn this poem by heart. Thank you.